Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by opening Gemini's image mode and selecting the style model. This matters because models vary in texture and color handling. Once done, upload your source photo and crop to your target aspect ratio, since composition affects style transfer. Next, choose a style preset or reference image and set style strength around 0. 4 to 0. 6. Lower preserves more original detail, higher enforces style. Make sure to pick a seed if you want repeatable results. You now refine the look by applying masks where detail must stay intact. Mask faces and text with a soft brush at about 1/2 opacity so transitions remain natural. Then, tweak color grading and texture sliders, make 3 quick variations, and compare to find the best balance. Once done, push detail scale up for backgrounds to emphasize brushwork, but reduce it on skin areas to prevent patchy artifacts. These targeted adjustments create a believable, styled photo. You finish by exporting at original resolution or applying a 2x upscale for prints. Pick PNG for lossless detail or high-quality JPEG for smaller files. Once exported, view the image on multiple screens to spot banding, noise, or cloning artifacts that may not show on one display. If you see problems, reduce style strength slightly, refine masks, or rerun with a new seed. This troubleshooting step often fixes stubborn artifacts without losing the overall aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.